Alright guys, welcome back to another episode Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. On today's episode, we're going to get the Lincoln all cleaned up, and I think this is going to be the last episode on this car, so I hope you enjoy it. Alright, I'm going to work on the window switches here. I'm going to unscrew these. They're not working, and so I'm going to see if I can get them to do something here. Right now the seat's a little too far forward, so it's a little hard to get in and out, at least for me. It was obviously last used by a shorter person, so I'm going to get a little contact cleaner and play around with it for a little bit. Alright, I've been messing with this for a little bit, and again, just running the switches up and down. I'm getting things to work. For some reason, it still doesn't like to go that direction now. But what I did discover in messing around with this a little bit is if I flip the switch over, it'll go forward. Oh. So I might play with this switch a little bit. I'm just going to keep playing with it. What I did is I just kept doing my old tried and true of, running just moving stuff, and they started working. So for some reason this one's still not working in the forward position, so I'm going to keep playing with it and see if I can get this to work a little bit better. Alright, I went ahead and put this tube in. I didn't record it. I didn't have the camera with me, and it was as simple as you just slide the tube down through the grommet in the side of the tank and put the bolts in here and you're all done. I mean, it literally took me just a couple of minutes. So I went ahead and poured 5 gallons of gas in it and made sure it was sucking fuel out of the tank, and it was. So I think we're good to go on this. So I think we're all done. Alright, I'm going to run the buffer over this car. I just kind of gave it a quick wash. That's why it looks a little bit shiny, but the paint is actually not horrible, but it could definitely benefit from a buffing. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick buff and see if it looks any better. I'm sure it will. Disappeared back under there. Alright, we got the carpet all shampooed. The seats are clean, they're still wet. Got the back seat all cleaned up. This car cleaned up pretty nice, really. See if you can see the shine on it. I know we're inside, it's a little bit hard to see in here. No cracks in the dash. Again, the back seat is all cleaned up. It's still wet yet. Carpet's all cleaned up. It's all shampooed. This car smells a lot better. See the shine on the hood. Gotta get the tires yet. I gotta get out of here, out of all the gravel for that. Well, the creek's all back to normal after our little blast of rain. Brought the old company car to work today. Alright, we're going to take this little thing for a ride. Get some pictures taken of it. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this episode Up and Running. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the Lincoln. This is going to be the last episode for the Lincoln as well. So we're going to move on to, I think, what's going to be a '74 Blazer. So I hope you enjoy it. All right, that's going to do it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed watching us go through the process of getting this Lincoln going. And so, see ya. Stupid people in the stands. Crazy people in the stands. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for all the episodes on the Lincoln. I hope you enjoyed them. So, oh yeah, there we go. Funny stuff again. I wait for all the cars to go by. The wife to leave. So she quits honking.